operating system by using the VirtualBox software. This can be done by our team members, which includes Chandana R, Ekta, Kirti, and me, under the guidance of Sumana ma'am. Moving to the next slide. In this slide, the abstract, which tells how the experiment went on. In this visualization means running more than one operating systems in the same computer at the same time. In this experiment, we have used VirtualBox to install the Ubuntu inside the Windows 11. Here, it will help to understand that how the both systems can share the resources like CPU, memory, and the storage. Here, our aim is to see how the both systems uh, will share the memory and CPU and all, and it's also to see how the visualization is going to allow the multiple systems that are running together and working together smoothly using the same hardware, that is computer. And the next part, introduction to that of the virtual machines. We have already seen that visualization, which means running the multiple operating systems on the same computer at the same time, which is helps to test and learn the different operating systems at the same hardware without any need of extra hardware. We can also learn about the different operating systems. Here we have used Windows 11 as the main operating systems and VirtualBox to run the Ubuntu inside that of the Windows 11. Next part will be continued by Chandana.
Objective. Our main goal was to understand the concept of virtualization and how it allows us to use multiple operating systems on a single computer. Here, we installed Ubuntu inside Windows using VirtualBox to create a virtual environment. We observed CPU and memory usage to study how resources are shared between both systems. We also compare the performance of the host and guest operating systems. Overall, this helped us gain practical knowledge of how virtualization works in our system. And the next part will continue by.
Here I am going to explain about the experimental setup. The host operating system used here is Windows 11, which runs directly on the computer. The guest operating system is Ubuntu 22.04 installed inside the VirtualBox. The software we used for virtualization is Oracle VirtualBox. The system has 8 GB RAM, out of which 4 GB is allocated to the virtual machine. The processor is either an Intel 5 or AMD Ryzen 5, both suitable for virtual tasks, and the storage is a 512 GB SSD, which gives faster performance for the both systems. Next, come to the step done. Here we firstly done we install the virtual software on the Windows 11. Then we create a new virtual machine and set its name and configuration. Next, we added the Ubuntu ISO file, which acts like a bootable disk. After that, we installed Ubuntu inside VirtualBox, just like we install it on a real computer. Finally, we checked the CPU and memory usage in the both Windows and Ubuntu to compare the performance. Next part will be continued by Ekta.
Okay, so here we are comparing the performance of Windows 11, which is the host operating system, and the Ubuntu, which we have installed as the guest operating system. So in the Windows 11, the CPU is around 11% and memory is around 68%. And since it is the host operating system, it runs many background services, and it also has the VirtualBox process. So the it increases the load on the host operating system. Next slide. While in Ubuntu, CPU usage is only 1 to 2%, and the memory used is about 2 GB, and it has fewer background tasks, so it is lighter and smoother even inside the virtual machine. Next slide. Uh, if we compare Windows 11 and Ubuntu, Windows 11 is the closed source and Ubuntu is the open source. Windows uses about 2 to 3% of CPU of the more background processes, but it is great for general users. Ubuntu is faster and smoother, making it the better for coding and testing purpose. So, like overall, if we say Ubuntu performs better in terms of efficiency and speed, while Windows offers compatibility and user experience for everyday use. Next will be continued by Chandana.
Conclusion: we successfully ran Ubuntu inside Windows using VirtualBox. Both systems work smoothly and share resources efficiently. This proved that virtualization allows two OS to run together on one computer. Overall, our project showed the flexibility and usefulness of virtualization technology. Thank you.
Here, in this experiment, we have used Windows 11 as the main operating system, which is the host operating system, and Ubuntu as the guest operating